Well, good morning to you. It is October 16th, 2018. I am going to do something a little different today. Actually, right now, we're going to go through the new gate. You're probably familiar with the Jaffa Gate, which is probably the most common one here in the old city of Jerusalem. Or you may have heard of the Damascus Gate. That's more down where the Muslims enter in, close to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. And then there's the Zion Gate, which I've taken many pictures of, which was where the IDF 1967 Six-Day War came through and retook the old city. So it's a little quiet here this morning. Well, it's 6:05. Not a whole lot going on. This is known as the Christian section. You have the Jewish section, the Muslim, the Armenian, and the Christian. De La Salle High School in Jerusalem. As I said, there's not a whole lot going on. We don't want to wake anybody up. So we'll just see what we see. Like that. An occasional runner. Notice the slick stoneware on the floor. There's actually a street. Cars do come up through here. Several shop owners will use carts to carry their goods. It is very quiet. Boker Tov. Maybe he doesn't know Hebrew like I do. Anyway, the clock says 6:05 in the morning. I've noticed on these walks I've been kind of breathing heavy. That means I'm out of shape. So this is one way of getting in shape, walking the streets of the old city. I may not stay on this trip too long as far as this particular morning travel. I might wait for it to get a little bit busier to be of more interest to you. But notice the ramps for carts. Morning.
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 And then for all four of us.
Aha. There is life on planet Earth. Casanova up ahead here. I met a lady who had come here many years, did service here, and she was so glad to see someone that could speak English. He was breathing heavy like I do. Alright, as you can see, there's not too much going on right now, so I will close it down and I'll be back shortly. Stay tuned. Shalom from Jerusalem. Steve Martin.